My name is Bret. This is my 2005 Rsx Type S. It has the JDM K24a with the RBB2 head, so it's dual VTEC instead of single. And just full bolt-ons, cold air intake, Invidia headers, Ktuned 3-inch exhaust, and then just, I think, 410 injectors, and then Detroit 65 in the tank. And then it's tuned on K-Pro V4 by Armentuned up in the high desert. And it made 222 to the wheel. That's about it. Just full bolt-ons, nice little clean look with the RPF ones, and it gets it.
You know, that's what I was gonna say too, because I know RPF ones are like the Jordans of the wheel industry.
Has them. They've been on all my cars, but
they just look so good on any car you throw them on, you know?
Everyone says they're overplayed, but I mean, that is true, but at the end of the day, what else are you gonna get for like 1,200 bucks?
And lightweight too.
Exactly. It depends on the car it goes on. But
what wheel specs do you have right now? 17 by 9?
Yeah, 17 by 9 plus 35, and then I forget the tire size, but those are Indy 500s.
245/40, yeah.
Yeah.
245/40.
Yeah, that's a good base for tire size for 8th gens too.
What do you lower it on?
Oh, they're D2s.
D2s?
D2s, yeah.
D2 springs or coils?
Coils all around.
Okay. And then one of the most important parts right here?
The heart.
All right. So you said you had a K24 in here?
Yes, sir. So a K24a from JDM Ontario. Just a nice little simple build. It has a Type S oil pump that's polished and ported from 4-piston. New timing chain, and then drag Cartel T-guide. AC power steering delete from Ktuned. And we had to get a little custom bracket for down there. Other than that, it's got the hybrid cold air intake with the little V-stack down below, and then hybrid racing cool nut hoses, and that's about it. Other than that, stock head, stock block. Then it's got innovative mounts all around. Invidia headers, which are discontinued for the RSX. Ktuned 3-inch, the little oval exhaust. Looking at it the other day from underneath, and it's oval. It sounds pretty good.
You said the Ktuned exhaust, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good. For me, I've always had Skunk 2 headers, Skunk 2 3-inch RR.
So you always had them loud.
Yeah, this is still there, but it's pretty quiet compared to if you were to go like Invidia N1 or the Skunk 2 3-inch.
Gotcha.
Yeah, literally it. It's just full bolt-ons, nothing special. It's not on E, it's tuned on 91. Doesn't get any more raw than that.
Oh, dude, that clutch feels different.
Yeah, it'll be like I never adjusted it. The guy that, like, whoever put the CMC in, did it like up at the top, so it'll like release really high.
That vibration though. What shifter do you have on this?
This is the Acuity.
Oh, dude, this
feels so good, huh?
I thought I was still neutral as I shifted in the first.
Yeah, it's really like notchy.
Oh shit. Okay. Guys, so one thing I will tell you guys right now is he does not have AC in this car. So we are going to be driving with the windows down, maybe rolled up just a little bit, because we don't know how loud it's going to be as we're driving. Yeah, so keep that in mind. All right, let's see if I can. Oh, it grabs onto the top, and I see that no power steering that you're talking about.
Yeah, 0 power steering.
Holy shit.
Nothing like, my hatch was real easy without it, but this one is just very stiff and hard to steer. Especially like when you're stopped. It's like a pain, bro. You gotta like yank the fucking wheel. You're like,
I got you. Oh, I'm already in second gear, okay.
Yeah. The gears are really short on the RSX transmissions. Like,
dude, no way this is your transmission shifter.
Yeah.
This is so short.
And it's in the middle too. It can go a lot shorter.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. It'll go a lot shorter. I've had the hybrids, and I like the hybrids too, but the Acuity is really like, they kind of feel more notchy.
Really?
Yeah. The hybrids kind of have more of a OEM feel, but they both go just as short.
Oh my god, dude. You know how long it's been since I've driven like a full raw, just like K-powered motor, dude?
Since your age,
I've driven Jordan's, the guy that I was mentioning before.
Right.
And back then when I drove his 8th gen, he has a built motor, but he was still on stock intake, stock header, and stock exhaust, I think. So
like a
he
straight
was
sleeper.
restricted.
Yeah.
He. When does VTEC kick in this one?
Like 42, but since it's the K24 head still, it's very subtle. It's not
Really?
like a Z3 or any of the other K20s. It's like you can almost never hear it. It's really weird.
Dude, I'm gonna roll it just a little bit.
It might be.
Right there, that's good.
It might be just because the exhaust too, but
You know, I'm gonna mention this again, even though because you said no power steering, dude.
Right.
It feels like I'm trying to drive a train,
yeah.
like going like in a straight line and shit.
Yeah, it's good once you're moving. Like I like it more, but when you're stopped or trying to like turn very slow, it's not easy.
You know, it's not as drony as I thought it was gonna be. Maybe because I'm not on the highway yet, but
No, it's really quiet all the way around. Even at like if I'm cruising on the freeway at 80 miles an hour, I'm at 4,000 RPMs and it's pretty quiet.
that idle from those engine mounts low.
Yeah, that's the only thing you hear. Like my mirrors shake. You hear everything vibrating.
What is it? Red line up to 8,000?
Like 80, 85.
85.
Yeah, about 85.
Okay.
I'm still debating on if I'm gonna do like a Z3 head and then just build it.
Okay.
I don't know, cause when I go boost, it's gonna be almost no difference.
And that's if you go boost.
Yeah, if I go boost.
If you go boost. Dude, this is. I could already just. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna hop on the freeway real quick and then we'll come back that way. Okay. There is. Oh!
Yeah, you gotta muscle it.
Bro! This is arm day every day.
Yeah. I had to get used to it too. I was definitely like, dang.
I was not expecting that. I was like, oh, look at that. We're coming up from
yeah,
a turn right here.
It's really, it's just, I don't know. It's a lot different. You wouldn't expect it to be that hard going into turns.
Yeah, but once you get it moving, it's fine.
Yeah.
You mind if I do a little pull right here?
Get on it.
You're right about that torque steer.
Yeah, it likes to grab.
You're right about that torque steer. Holy shit. Oh, that VTEC, dude. That sounds nice.
Yeah, I really like it. Coming from straight Skunk to everything, it sounds really good.
Okay, yeah, that scared me a little bit, dude.
It'll grab like groups and stuff, bro, and just take you right off the road.
Yeah, I was not expecting it to do that. Okay. Yeah, you would not expect this car to do that. Armentuned.
Yeah.
Dude, shout out to Armentuned. That is a really good.
He's honestly, in my opinion, I know everybody has their opinion, but he's one of the best tuners in Southern California.
Okay, now I know people are going to be asking this question. How much are you pushing?
222 to the wheel.
222 to the wheels. How much torque are you pushing? My 8th was pushing like 155, 160.
Okay, yeah.
Your K24 is definitely pushing closer to like 180, bro.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah, I don't know. I remember seeing something 140. It may have been one of my other cars. Yeah, I can't remember the torque. I remember something 140. It might have been on one of my buddy's cars that got dyno tuned. But
Dude, this is definitely making me want to go back.
yeah. Let me tell you, it is a little fun to daily drive without AC, but I'm gonna
like driving on expert mode, dude. It's like it's a challenge.
As soon as I bought it, I knew that AC was going back in, and then I already bought the electric steering rack for it out of the EP3. So as soon as I just get the time to pull everything out, I'm gonna be doing that, and then put all the black panels in,
But
and then the dash.
I'm still amazed at 222 wheel. mean,
Yeah.
overpowered if it's 222. There's no way this is 222 wheel.
Yeah,
Especially,
he's the way to go for any kind of K series, all motor, boost, nitrous.
oh dude, okay, I like that. I like that. All the other K series cars I've driven so far, after you shift, the power dies out, then it comes back, almost like it's searching for VTEC, but this one, the power stayed all up at freaking, okay.
It likes it.
No, 100% it does. Yeah, dude. I see why you say you hurt feelings in this car.
Yeah, it's quick for what it is.
Your car will definitely beat mine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, my car, if I have to guesstimate it, the 10th gens, they make excessive amount of torque. On my Tuned, with my football toms, on maybe 240 wheel and like 280 foot-pounds of torque. But it does not feel raw like this K24.
Yeah, it definitely is something new, like if you're coming off the 8th gen or something.
I saw the lights. What's up with everyone getting a flat tire?
I don't get it. It's so different out here compared to where I live. It's
Yeah.
just a lot of big buildings and structures, bridges.
I will never push it at 100% because it's not my car.
Right.
You know, like if I want to experience it, you know what? Here, you take it and you show me what the car can do. Because I don't know your car obviously like you do.
Well, whenever my brothers let me drive the cars, I abuse them. Yeah, but usually when I drive other people's cars, unless they let me,
Yeah.
and I'm comfortable with that kind of car, I'm gonna, you know, if they're okay with it, I like to use its potential. But
Dude, when I get back home and I'm going to get back in my 10th, I'm going to be like, dude, this shifter sucks.
yeah,
This one's
it's
short.
really, really short.
Also, guys, just in case you guys are wondering, I will leave all the mods in the description, just in case we miss anything out on video. Also, I forgot to ask you, what clutch did you say you were using on this one?
It's just a stage 1 action clutch.
Stage 1.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then it has the Ktuned CMC.
It feels heavier than the Stage 1.
Really?
I had the Exetti Stage 1 in my 8th gen, and that one was like almost OEM, bro. Like
Really?
it was pretty good for what it was.
Yeah, it feels nice though. The only thing, like I said, is the clutch needs to be adjusted to let go further down. But
No, yeah.
yeah, I
Okay, moment of truth.
gotta find out.
Oh yeah, hold my
Yeah.
breath and turn.
Yeah, it's something else. And it also, from the inside of this car, you don't really realize how it sounds on the outside because it sounds so quiet in here. But
Oh,
I've
dude.
let a couple buddies drive it just so I can get a feel for what it sounds like.
Yeah.
And it sounds way different. It's way different. Like, it's pretty quiet in here, I gotta say. And then if you're driving by or letting somebody else drive it, it just sounds like a whole nother car.
You know, and like, but like that's the thing that people always ask me. They're like, well, what do you prefer? And it's like, honestly, if I'm gonna be realistic, maybe my 10th because it's a good daily driver. It has everything I want, everything I need.
Exactly.
You know, but if I want to build something, you need something older.
Yeah, you do. I had a TL 6-speed manual.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
I had that for some time, and it was fun. That car it's the best handling car I've ever driven. Best daily I've ever owned.
Yeah.
But when it comes to aftermarket or body, it's not there. There's no support.
Yeah. That was it. I smell it. I can smell all the engine fumes and everything. This car sounds and smells like a race car.
I think that's why I like it so much. Like, I don't mind.
And you want to turbo it?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
For sure.
That's gonna be a different one, dude. I'll drive over there if you get this turbo, dude. I'll drive over there, man. I'll make a trip out of it.
I wish we could have
like we're supposed to do my FD2.
We were supposed to do your FD2.
Yeah, like
we were
over
supposed
a
to do
year
your hatch.
Yeah.
And it did. We're both just busy people, you know. We haven't really had the chance.
Yeah.
But
unfortunately, the FD2 got hit. And we had
yeah.
to be sold. So.
Hey man, people move on, dude. We'll have other opportunities.
Yeah.
But dude, that was a good pull. Okay.
It gets it. Like
no, 100. Yeah.
It impresses me. Like I've had all boosted cars. Like my FD2 was boosted, my FG was boosted, my hatch was all boosted, and out of them all, going to all motor car, this one impresses me.
No, it definitely does.
Yeah, I'm back and forth. I'm pretty sure I want to go turbo on this just because there's like really no other way to go. But I was gonna go Craftworks like the C38.
Yeah.
But you can't use the AC pump because it goes right there.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So then that was kind of like, nah. And then I was gonna go Merc, and then I was like, I'll be spending like more on that almost than I would like a nice turbo kit.
Yeah.
So I just kind of decided turbo is the way to go.
And you're still looking for an FA5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I mean, guys, if you guys want to hit him up and talk something, by all means, Instagram's linked in the description. It's right over here as well.
Always making deals, bro. I got a new car every month.
You do. You've had so many more cars that I could even count, dude. Every time I would like log on and I see them, I'm like, homie, you already sold it?
Yeah.
Like
that's like that. I don't have. That's my job. I was gonna say I don't have a job, but that is my job because I buy, sell, trade, flip,
yeah,
fix, whatever.
Well, I mean, considering you do everything yourself at the shop, then yeah. I see where and why you do all that.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we do a lot of B series stuff, believe it or not. We haven't gotten much Ks, but we do get. I think the most work we've done is just straight B series, and then turbo kits for B series. A lot of people come for the turbo kits, and honestly, if you got like a B20, we just do like studs, and then obviously you're gonna need fill system stuff like that.
Gotcha.
But a lot of people in my area are B series turbo.
All right, well guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Big Dog, do you have any plugs you want to put in right there? Instagram?
Honestly, my Instagram, MostHatedHonda, and then the shop's Instagram, Unknown Garage Built, and that's about it. Stickers on the back window for it, but yeah.
All right.
The RSX.
All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. K24 RSX. This was a blast to drive. I got scared a little bit as we did a pull on the highway for the first time.
Yeah, it likes to grab.
I was not expecting any of that. I can tell you that right off the bat.
I told you it's gonna grab once you.
But it was so good. It was so raw. Like it was hit me right in the heart. So I'll see you guys in another one. You guys have a good day. Peace.